The budget. It's one of the big political stories every year. This year, it's taking place on Tuesday, the 13th of October. On that day, two ministers, the Minister for Finance, Paschal Donohoe, and the Minister for Public Expenditure, Michael McGrath, will stand up in the Dáil and they'll tell us how much money the government wants to take in 2021 and how much money we're going to be able to spend. In last year's budget, the government estimated that we would take in and around €89 billion in taxes and in other revenues, and that we would spend about €87.5 billion. That means the plan was for 2020 there'd be a surplus, but then the pandemic hit. So this year, we're actually probably looking at a deficit of something over €25 billion. So where does the government get its money? It comes from direct taxes on income and on profits, from indirect taxes on areas like value-added tax. It also comes from social contributions. We have a taxation system that's progressive. That means that the more somebody earns, the more they pay in taxes. And where is the money spent? A lot of it is spent on public services. The three biggest areas of spending are on social welfare, social protection payments, on health and on education. This year, the government's priorities for the budget have to be around public health and continuing to deal with the COVID virus. It's going to be about maintaining jobs and investing in our economy. And we also have to face the threat of Brexit. And also the government is thinking about the long term. How can we design a budget to deal with climate change, but also to face up to the technological challenges and opportunities for Ireland in the future? The budget, a very important date, Tuesday, 13th of October.